that bad.
Yes.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. And if you visited my channel before, thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. Today's video is going to be very fun because I have a special guest. Drum roll please. My sister, Ellison!
Yay!
Yay! Isn't she cute? So today, she is going to be doing my makeup. She's going to be doing a kind of everyday going into the parks, really cute look. This is it, right? So yeah, let's get started.
Let's go!
Okay, so let's get started. You have to tell them, right now she's putting on the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Tell them how to do it, Elsa. Gently caress the face rather than smearing it everywhere. Now we're using, Ellison, go ahead and tell them.
I don't know what we're using.
Now we're using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation mixed with the Rainforest of the Sea glitter sparkles. I just don't know if I can put this on the internet. Yeah, so this is just every day going to Magic Kingdom. Now I'm going to conceal.
Into the...
Oh no!
This is funny. I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost. You...
Ellie! I look like a newborn. Hi, Mom.
I have to lean over.
Maybe you're just gonna have to put bronzer over it.
Over your under eye?
Just kidding. So ridiculous.
What's that like? Screaming thing? That's what you look like.
Yeah.
I don't want to listen to this song.
One. Now we're using the NARS.
NARS has some really hideous names.
We're just using a NARS blush.
I'm using a mixture of these two colors as a transition shade.
Wow. You are literally puncturing my eye. Nice transition color. Oh.
Now I'm gonna mix together the two shades below it and this one.
Nice, way to explain.
Well, now I'm using just this color in the crease.
Ooh, in the crease.
Actually, JK. I'm using both of these colors. I'm gonna take, oh, I forgot they had names. I'm taking this color, which is Central Park.
Go on, deepen up my crease.
I'm highlighting the brow bone and the inner corner with these two in light and beam.
Interesting. Do the Cupid shuffle. Do the Cupid shuffle.
I'm using Queen, 24/7, and Meeks.
Now she's spraying the brush with some MAC Fix Plus.
And dipping back into those same shimmers. We're highlighting now. Now I'm using the Cover FX highlighting, perfect highlighting palette. And I'm kind of just using all of them.
just stop moving?
Now I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated in Luminous highlighter. Like Banksy does.
That is so right. All you need is a little faith, trust, and pixie dust. Okay, so I had to do my mascara and eyeliner because when she does it to me, she pokes my eyeballs.
Now I'm using the MAC Fix Plus again to set her makeup. Ready?
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Now we're using the Lush Mint Juleps lip scrub. Lick your lips. I'll rub your lips together and like my and then just like lick it off.
Buckets. Now I'm gonna put Too Faced Melted Matte Queen Bee stuff on.
Liquid lipstick.
It's a liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna put it on my lips, and then I'm gonna put lip gloss from Walmart on my lips.
Are we getting food? I'm hungry.
There you go, just put on your ears and head out the door. So this is the final product. Didn't Ellison do such a great job? Yay, Ellison! So thank you guys so much for coming and watching this video. This was really fun. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to keep up with my DCP journey, make sure to subscribe and follow my Instagram at AshlynKate. Again, thank you guys so much for watching us, and we hope you have a great day.
Bye!
See you next time! See you real soon!
See you real soon!
Sayonara!
Aloha! It's hello or goodbye. Look it up.
Aloha!